Are you wondering if Maven has a plugin for the new Java 9 JLink? You're not alone. Many developers are curious about this. Today, we're diving into the world of Maven and JLink to find out if there's a solution for you. I totally get it. Searching for a specific plugin and coming up empty can be incredibly frustrating. It feels like you're on a treasure hunt with no map. But don't worry, we're here to navigate this together. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, does Maven have a plugin for the new Java 9 JLink? They searched online but couldn't find anything official from the Maven team. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what exactly is JLink? It's a tool introduced in Java 9 that allows you to create custom runtime images. This is a game changer for developers looking to optimize their applications. Understanding this will help us figure out the plugin situation. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a workaround that might just solve your problem. You won't want to miss it. To begin addressing the user's question, we need to clarify that Maven does not have an official JLink plugin provided by the Maven team. However, there are community plugins available that can help with this functionality. The user can explore the Maven JLink Plugin, which is a community-driven project. This plugin allows users to create custom runtime images using JLink. To use the Maven JLink plugin, the user should add the plugin to their project's pom.xml file. This involves specifying the plugin's group ID, artifact ID, and version. Next, the user needs to configure the plugin with the necessary parameters, such as the modules to include in the runtime image. This can be done within the plugin configuration section. Finally, the user can build their project using Maven. This will generate the custom runtime image based on the specified modules and configurations. Fun fact: did you know that JLink can significantly reduce the size of your Java applications? It's like packing your suitcase for a trip and only taking what you really need. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution comes from a user working on Moditect, a tool for Java 9 modules. They mention a Maven plugin that allows you to create module runtime images using JLink. This plugin is called the Moditect Maven plugin. The user notes that the plugin is currently under active development and must be built from source for now, but they plan to deploy a stable version to Maven Central soon. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution provided by another user is the Maven JLink plugin. This plugin allows you to use JDEPs and JLink, as well as other JDK tools. It can also download and unpack the necessary OpenJDK version from sources like Adopt and Liberica, enabling the creation of cross-platform images. Let's move forward and look at another answer. One alternative solution is to check out the Jigsaw Maven plugin available on GitHub. This plugin supports generating module info, creating runtime images with JLink, and packaging applications with JPackage, which is available since JDK 14. Here's a pro tip. Always check the community forums for updates on plugins. The Java community is vibrant and often shares valuable resources that can help you out. And there you have it. While there may not be an official Maven plugin for JLink, the community has you covered. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Java development.